Oh, okay, so gonna continue on from that stream where I just noticed my shirt is inside out. Uh, so yesterday we got as far as, let's see, adding custom values. So currently we can probably set this at any time, even in the future. So maybe that's something to prevent. We don't want to set this at what 5 o'clock when it's only currently it's 4. We'll revisit that. I just really want to get onto, yeah, so this is, you can add a custom input and time and amount. So you can like predate it or post, I guess it's post date after the fact, maybe. I think that's what it's called. But mostly it should just be limited to predate. So you shouldn't be able to set it past the current time. That'll be the max value. And but that, and I could do that. That's just getting the current time and making sure for the input. I think you could probably just add max value would always be the current time, current hour and minute. I think that's possible. And you could add maybe some validation to it. Uh, let's not worry about it currently. We can come back to it. All I'm really concerned is not. So I have the add view, and I want to get the. I want to get the. What's it called? The shoot, the. Let me share my screen. I'm not studying it. I'm losing my mind. I want to get the what's. Oh my god! Add view. Oh, congratulations, screen. I'm staring at it. So something confetti like this. So currently in the model. So what I want to do is refactor first, right? So I want to move this form out of here, and the only thing I have to pass in is the action handler. So on chain, we don't really need this on chain properties because we only it'll be on submit. I get those values. So let me update that. Yeah, yeah, that's fine. And I'm gonna have to rewrite this refactor the store. So first I get the max value for this. So it'll be the current time right now. Or and yeah, so I don't, the time should not be past the current time right now. And what else? Yeah, and that, I mean, I guess the current default data should be the current time right now. And then you probably go below it. We'll see. I want to do that right now, but if I have to get, no, I guess this time thing doesn't really. It's not a concern about the store. It's only the input amount where I guess the default value should be whatever we have in settings, or we could read it from today because today, the today uh, default intake, I think, should be this. It will always be the same as the settings one. If you update the settings, it updates today's. So yeah, I would need to be able to access the today store here. And if I'm going to access it within like a form, within a component, it has to be I would have to create a context for it to be able to access the store from anywhere instead of passing it as a prop, as I'm currently doing for in here. I'm passing it to views, or like the model is a component itself. It's not a view. Inside of it, it can display views in plural. I mean in quotes really, but it's just the views are just small components that need to access. Okay, so let's go back to, so where do I want to move this file first? Yeah, I was going to take this form, and so create a new. How do I want to do this? Component views. So I have views default. Should it be in here or should it be inside components? So maybe model views should be closed. It's views default and settings. Then I have, I don't know, should be in views. Well, let me add it here. Um, Maybe let's call it model views. I assume we're only using it for models, so let's call this one. Um, let's just call it form. No, in big form, log form, custom log form. That's svelte. All right, so script and so you have export let on submit. I guess really farm action. I guess it's an event of type submit form, submit event, and void maybe. I need to get input class. Okay, let's go back to here and let's copy input class. Well, really delete it from here. And okay, so let's import it. Okay. So if I click on this, yeah, it shows it. Okay. And let's put this at, let's say 14, 15, and you drink 150. 150. Yeah, there, 250 p.m. 150 milliliters. Okay, so that's basically it for form, form view. Now let's have, um, if it's, congratulations. Okay, so if I have it on here, if view equals, what is it? Let me save some of this first. Uh, Since now I have no idea what's happening, what have changes in there. Okay, save custom model. Okay, let's put get add components models view. Git commit. Gets refactor really. Or extract custom log form component. Um, what else? So in wait, get the components. Yeah, this should be. It should actually include this as well. I should really put this into alias. I use it quite enough. Okay, or changing views. Oh, nothing. I'm just gonna reset that. Yeah, I'm not worrying about git restore views. This is like I'm gonna let what's it called? Prettier update that. Okay, so what happened in app again? App dot spelled. Oh yeah, and I know on stores start today. It commit add method to say custom log, custom logs really. No, no, I'm not gonna work. It's maybe log item, but log entry. Wait, where did I save it as? Yeah, this entry. Okay, pass actually. as prop to model to take action. I don't know. All right, so we have that. So for our oh great, okay. So for our um, congratulations screen, really. Let's think it through. So add entries or whatever. I watch for I guess so if I start here, I watch for I'm even thinking this right now. Why would you want to ever edit this? I mean remove a log. I don't know. Maybe not. So I guess if I keep adding, adding, and now you're greater than or equal to the goal, the total is greater than or equal to the goal. I showed a model, right? So I have to watch for this happening. And when I counter that, I have to see, I guess, if it's happened once. Because I don't want to check it each time, right? So I don't want to detect this happening once. Otherwise, I press this again, I show the model again. No. So if it's greater than or equal to one, I mean the total is greater than or equal to the goal, and I haven't shown the model yet. So do I save this model shown? I mean the congratulations screen shown once. So as soon as it hits greater than, right, I show the congratulations model, but then I have to be aware if I click on it again, it doesn't check it again. So I'll probably have to save the state. And every time I click on this, it shows that it's greater than. Um, yeah, so this is probably where I have, okay, I have a field congratulations shown, maybe default to false. And then I also save it in the session store. I think that's probably easier to access. And I can access that more readily than always having to go back to to the storage, maybe. Because I probably need to check this every time a new log entry gets added. Okay, let's not worry about that yet. Let's just create the model, the view first. So let's have goal reached. Congratulations. Okay, so I'm assuming some of this stays the same. This class list. No, section or div. I don't think it matters really. So what do I have? Button up close. I have a button, and it's probably just to close it. Yeah. Okay. So I have that button, then I have a H1. Let's see. And it just show congratulations. Kind of seems that's close enough. So what else is there to do? Maybe I'll find more words to do there, but there's not really that much to do. Okay, so where do I show this? Okay, so if I go to aquarium, okay, no, I guess it's a derived value, derived, I just get goal reach though. Wait, what if I think I tried this before, but I want to see if maybe I made a mistake. So if I went return this total divided by no, I knew it was gonna be like that. Wait, just around there, really. Yeah, store that subscribe is not a function. Yeah, I'll have to figure out a solution for that. Anyway, so what? Oh, I didn't save it. All right, so I guess I watch for this. No, let me just show. So where do I want to show this? If else if. Sorry. What are the types of views? Add complete. Okay, complete. Then I want to show. All right, so here. Yeah, I don't wanna keep track of congratulations on screen in the Chrome storage. It makes sense to keep it in the session storage. So if I go to today, um, it wouldn't make sense to if ooh, yeah, see, this is why I would need all of this. I One else should not have a action handler prop because now, or it could in here. Congratulations. So it'd be um, it accepts something. No, it doesn't. Close type. No, just button. Import close model. All right. So how do I check for the store? Every time I add a new log entry, total will go up. So if it's greater than or equal to, and I haven't shown it yet, show congratulations screen. Okay, so I'm thinking this should be similar to this. I need to be able to get the. Do I need to? It doesn't. I don't think it needs to be a Swell store. If I have it as a session store, No, I think it should be managed by structure. Okay, let's just try to setting this to be and the view to be complete, so we just see how it looks for now. You reach your daily intake, daily target. Close, kind of, I guess. Then maybe something like, you know, no, that looks kind of tacky. I don't know what medium is. Um, Okay, fine. Yeah, the VUI looks good. Um, it's okay. Probably good to have like some kind of visual there, but what I really want to focus on is just getting the confetti, and then I worry about when is this activated. So where did I change? I don't want to change update that. All right, so yeah, so confetti. There's a component called svelte. Well, I have different options. So this one is say you're just using a canvas to draw it, and you have several like this, and it looks good, right? Different colors and stuff, and it's just plain JavaScript. Well, I guess the rest are plain JavaScript as well, but this component, this library, I guess, is called confetti. I think it gives you more options. If you let's look at the options, I've seen some of them. Where's the readme? Yeah, so it might be good to well get a few of them. Yeah, give multiple options. Yeah, all these options, a lot of options. So I was just gonna consider maybe just, all I really need is a library itself, right? I don't need most of these other files, but I think, I just download the entire library. I might as well. So what happened? So if let me try. I have how do I use it again? Yarn add. Okay, I'm using. I don't know what package manager I'm using right now. Let me. I'm using Bun. Okay, so Bun add svelte confetti. Yeah, why is it in dev mode? Yeah, I'm wondering why it's supposed to be. Whatever. Let's try just displaying it. So it'll be import confetti from where? Oh, it's oh man. Wait, why? Okay, great. Let me go back to model and let me reset this. Yeah, okay, so I need this to be, how do I make it full screen or whatever? Is that a property on it? Full screen that there's the button, infinite, delay. We'll play around with it, but ideally, when it comes down to the end product, maybe we want it to be, we want to be able to randomize which style gets chosen. And it's we want to probably it to be infinite until we hide it. So infinite. Where's the full screen option? Full screen. Okay, so yeah, because I kind of want it to be able to display it over the model as well. When the model's on, I still want the confetti to work, right? Let's try if this code works. Otherwise, we can write our own and move this into like its own component. Oops, I don't even see. Okay, there. Not enough though. I don't know if I want to delay. Kind of. It's kind of working. Fall distance duration. Yeah, it's fall. Yeah, it's falling over it. I don't think it's going far down enough. I want to go all the way off screen. I don't know if this is going to change anything. Yeah, kind of. Okay, so maybe I don't want to delay. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so what is this? No, why would I want duration? I don't know what duration is. Let me see. Yeah, maybe I do want duration. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's not getting past this. I think. I don't know what X and Y are doing. Guess it's maybe this. Let's look it up. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but let's try this. What is this? Okay, let's go back to like one maybe. That's crazy. I don't want to put too much, otherwise. But also, it's like it's not coming down fast enough. Yeah, this is not good. Oh, great. Now there's no. Oh, wait. Duration. Wow. It kind of looks okay. I'm not really worried about performance because I'm only going to show it once. And I'll only show it for like 5 seconds, maybe. Give enough time for the model to pop up, and then user can close it or click outside of it to close the animation as well. I guess remove it. More like remove the confetti. Yeah, let me just move this into its own component. Or maybe it should be congratulations, really. Or maybe it does need to stay there because I need this to be above everything, right? Not fixed within the parent container. Right, that was weird. Did it show like twice? Yeah, so it's what is that sound? That's crazy. Yeah. I need this to be fixed relative to something else, maybe. Wondering where it should be placed then. Back in the app screen, seemed like the best place to place it. Because there might be other use cases for it other than congratulations. Maybe if I introduce like streaks or whatever, I'll show the streak on like the first time you open it if you have. Oops. Yeah, okay. It's here, it's fine. So let's move into a component and let's call it confetti. It's already called confetti. Um, call it celebration. Celebrate or party. What is it called? Other. Yeah, I wonder if it should be, I guess. So if we pass it, uh, celebrate as a prop, or I guess maybe true. I don't know. And it's a boolean, and then by default it's going to be false. Or maybe we have it that it turns off after a certain amount of time. I don't know. All right, so I have, I guess, halfway there. Basically, now it's okay. You are, what is it? Oh, I'm trying. Yeah, I don't know. My mind is a mess. I went to, you see, I woke up, I think I only slept for like a couple of hours. Crazy headache. Up with a crazy headache, and then, which, and I had no Advil or whatever, Tylenol, or just kind of, those headache pills, pain relievers. So I went to, walked to the local Walmart, and then Dad started, let me get some coffee too. So I haven't had coffee in like 2 weeks or whatever, right? I think two, maybe longer. Just bought some instant coffee. But, I'm a cheap person when it comes to like stuff you ingest. I'm not gonna pay for the best option. I'll pay for the cheaper option, and maybe slightly above, maybe or the next level up from the cheapest. I'll never, most likely, I don't go high end for it. Stuff that you ingest, and then you just like you end up just you know urinating or defecating out. So I don't know. It's a weird feeling right now because usually based on if I didn't have no coffee, I'd probably maybe be closer to taking a nap right now, but I don't feel tired or anything. But my body's probably expecting a nap right now. It's not used to the coffee right now because I've been off of it for a little bit. But also because I'm probably just scatterbrained like this. Usually I'm not recording myself being this scatterbrained. Where I have to just like what think about what I'm doing. Usually, yeah, maybe I don't know. It seems usually I think I'm focused most of the time, but there's instances where just like my mind just logs something else. All right, so let's focus. So I have the confetti, there's some semblance of it, and I have the completion view. So now all I need to do is tie them together to if you are above it. So I need so this is basically the today store, right? So if so I guess anytime I log or so I have to listen for completion. So if I go so either I get a derived total of yeah, let's try doing it like this. Or maybe just I could just probably get from the water level. The water level is greater than 100% or equal to 100%. So I don't think that the water level I have it set to be yeah, I think it goes above it. So if I go to aquarium, yeah, okay, here. Oh, okay, no, in the CSS, I have the water level max out to be 100%, so it doesn't. Otherwise, it would start shifting this entire thing. So I guess I could look at the water level. If the water level is above 100% or equal to 100%, then I show them. Yeah, so okay, I can open the model from here. I just check for this. Um, how do I check for it though? Call open model here. Okay, so let me see if trying to see if I can call it from here. Okay, so if I have this call, so why can't I open model and view would be complete. Yeah, I guess I could open it from here. All right, so that's fine. I don't want it to open every single time. So if I like add this, right? See, okay, let's have it. Okay, so water level. So water level is greater than 100%. Could I write the right about here? Const, congrats. No. Where would I need this? I need a value for if congratulations shown. Let's have a test one. So session storage dot set item. Oh, my nose is blocking, I think. Set item. Congrats shown. And so water. No, that's okay. Okay, let's maybe get item first. Get item. Otherwise, it's going to be null, so it's set it to false, right? So if not, otherwise it's going to be what? Good. How do I do that? Okay, so it comes out as a string, right? Of false and truth, or be null. We'll see. I'd have to change it to a boolean somehow. So if, so I guess if not, congrats shown. So you have, so it's not been shown once yet. We update that and then we set session storage dot set item to true. What? I don't know if they want me to turn it into a string. I'm not sure. Restaurant is false. Restaurant is false. Okay. So congratulations is true. Yeah, I think I could. Uh, so change it from just change it to make sure the same type. So if I haven't shown the welcome, I mean the completion screen yet, then I do that. Okay. So I need to access this as well. So on. So let me go to. It's not. This is crude way to do it, but we're just testing it out. So if I go to app and I have celebrate, what am I testing for? Really, if session store, I mean, no, okay. It needs to be a store value. Because it doesn't make sense because it won't update based on if yeah, let's add a store for congratulations or party. I'm gonna use the party because it's gonna be or congrats. It's gonna be on the maybe use it several times for streak if I ever implement streak. And it's gonna be probably the same thing as it's gonna similar to model. Mm, great. Now I don't know where it is. Okay, what is party? Yeah, I guess whether to show it or not. And I need to store because I'm gonna be able to use it to either to show the congrats model or the streak, or maybe not. Because if I okay, I'm taking it later on if I have to implement streaks. So I don't want no kind of collision though. Okay, let's have no. Okay, sure. Congrats, maybe Boolean. It's congrats screen, so it shows the congrat model and the whatever thing here. If I ever have to have a streak, so I'll have another streak. So maybe it shows something a little bit different. We'll see. Yeah, maybe just a streak would be something. I don't know. Init party. I need to access um, it on this screen to show the confetti, and on the model to show the model, I guess. And make sure I only show it once. Um, oh no, okay, I guess it's gonna be more like I initialize it with the session screen. If I initialize it false. Okay, so set party on, set party party. Okay, party dot set. No, okay, I'm making this one. Okay, let's try. It's gonna be just a boolean, really. I don't really need. It's gonna be what? Yeah, this is not good. Maybe so. Um, so I just wanted to get the party if it's so set party. I'm thinking if I need this at all. So if I go here, I initialize the party. Excuse me. Yeah, I've been feeling sick. I mean, okay. All right. So, yeah, I'm losing my mind. Yeah, let me just do it as it is for now. I'm thinking I'm just gonna rewrite this, maybe now and have the story just move it to today, and it could be its own value here, which it probably should be, because I need to. But the only issue is like, how am I gonna access it within within the modal? Can't really access a store within the modal, or yeah, or even within aquarium. No, aquarium. Okay, I passed in the store. Oh, okay, wait. That's fine then. Let me think about this. Within here, I can access the store, and the within the app level, I can access the store as well. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me just put it in instead of party. Let me go here, remove it. Let me and into I don't need model. So let's go back to today, right? And let's have a party here. It's its own writable. I don't really worry about what it's going to do. And by default, it's going to be false, right? And or maybe not. Let's call another maybe, or let's set it to what happens if I call like uh, inspect. Can you call JSON dot parse like null? It returns null, right? And it doesn't error. So if I put like session storage get item, it doesn't exist. It returns null. Okay, so this is fine. So it's going to be this dot party would be JSON a const party. Okay, no, it's going to be start off as null, false, right? That's fine. So it's going to start off as false, and then I go here. Um, when I call one window, let's say if I log an intake, right? Here, okay, oh, this is probably here. Okay, here. So if I go, I check party shown, right? Get party shown. So it's going to be derived value. Oh no, if so if this dot total, no, I need to. Yeah, it might have to be a derived value. Oh no, I'm like staring into the ether. Yeah, I might be too sick. So I woke up just like runny nose and everything. Those type where it's like flowing down your. Okay, let's do not to talk about. Let's not talk about that. Where did I ever use this derived total? Okay, I use a in total. Can I call derived inside of derived? Let me see. Because I think what I'm trying to do is if I have see the total is greater than today, and I still haven't shown a party. Then I show the party, or oh man, okay, this dot party is it's false, right? It starts as false. Then I check if this is above it, right? If it's above it, I still need to know. I don't know if it starts as false, really. I was going to start with based on if it's shown within. Okay, so on initialization, I get this dot party. Let's say dot set it to be the result of JSON dot parse session storage dot get item on party shown. Maybe false, right? I think that makes sense. Or maybe not. Error expected comma. Did I not have it, right? No, it's dot parse. Oh, no, get it. Party shown. So it's here. All right, so if I have okay, let me see. Maybe I don't need to keep a derived value from it. So I get if party shown, right? I started the party shown is false. Either true or false. Yeah, all of these after you remove all of these functions, they don't make sense to be here. And let me I get a get today. I mean get party. Right? I don't even know if it has to be initialize it as false. Most likely it will. Okay, whatever. Party shown. Okay, so if I have party shown as false. So on this screen, I check if party. So if it shows party, I should show the. All right, so party, and this when is party being updated? Okay, no, okay, party should be separate from this, right? So in the session storage, we keep the active state of whether party has been shown or not. And this state will show if it should show, because this could be true, but this could be false, right? So let's go back. This should start at false on initialize. So let's have a static function. Okay, so get um can party, and then just returns this if it can party. All right. We check if it can. So if so when I call what's it called? A derived value of whether it can party. No, partied. I guess really it should be partied because it's past tense. So you get um, the derived value can party is going to be return on okay, can party would be if water level okay party okay let's we have a set I don't know okay we have a so it'd be okay so I can set the party if it's in the session storage or whether it's partied or not party. Okay, so can party would be if this is false. I mean, if this is partied is not true, right? How do you subscribe to this? So it would be so if I go to mortal, it would be if water level, you know, can party if water level is not. Let's try. So if no, it'll be today. If today dot water level is less than or equal to 100 and today dot party. So if you haven't partied and water levels greater than 100%, so it would be okay. Oh God, I'm saying really. How do I do this? Okay, so if celebrate it requires on. I don't know how to get this value. Can I use today as a store? All right, so okay, yeah, okay, let's go back here. Let me just party on would be derived value. So if I go let me see. I forgot this derived. So I can pass in stores, and then it takes a function and it returns So if water level is greater than 100% and you have not partied, not this dot partied, is that it? Well, really, it's more the opposite way. So if you haven't partied and the water level is greater, that's when you can party. So let's go. What water level must be declared in enclosing class, isn't it? They get water. Or, no, okay, water. Yeah, it's not private, so it's all right. So let's here. This would be store dot party dot can party. Oh no, today dot party dot can. Oh great, there's an error. I read the next update. Today is not a store with a subscribe method. No, no. Oh, that user did. Okay. All right. So this is the issue now. If I close out of it, click outside, that closes the modal, right? Let's go to modal. Unclose. No, not here. Not aquarium. If on close. Wait, do I care about this? What was I doing here? Do I remember? Oh yeah, I don't think I need it here. Okay, no. Oh yeah. So if um it's really just if store if today dot water level if can party and what is this party showing? Party showing is true. Okay, so it's really let's go back to modal. component. Because here is where on close modal, click outside close modal, right? I use close modal here and on the button. And congratulations does not have that's okay. So you have function handle close, right? Here, when I close the modal, I have to make sure if modal view, okay. If I go get okay modal dot view, right? If view is equal to complete, then I need to session storage dot set item already shown to be true, and then close the model. Close model. So if I click outside of it, end up close. Also, let's have a handle submit. Excuse me. It's kind of cold. Windows open, but when it's closed for so long, it gets hot. But today, maybe it's just because it's partly cloudy all day. Maybe there's some kind of wind outside. I don't know. Maybe just because I'm summer cold. Okay, so on submit, I I have to rewrite this. So on submit, handle submit, it's gonna be the same logic. I have to call handle close here as well. So it's really, I get the event and I pass the event to the action handler, maybe. Maybe that's all I have to do. Congratulations, you hit your daily goal. So if I click close, so if I, and then I open it again. Okay, no, it shouldn't show that. Um, so let's look at. All right, so where is that showing from? All right, on app page. No, okay, it's not showing today can party. So it's not. It's a modal. Where is the modal being highlighted? Here. Oh no, this should not be here though. Really. Let's move this here to no. Let's copy the entire thing. So if today can party, oh no, this is wrong place again. In app. Okay, that's weird. So if I close it, no, okay, this is something off. Let's party. Okay, the values party, and I go celebrate. Oh, no, locations party. So I guess maybe this is off. Okay, and it's below it. It's. I mean, there should be above everything. Z. Okay, yeah, I think I've got the Z index. Maybe Z. Yeah, let's go 1,000. It's still below it. What? It's still below it. What if I said absolute? Nope. Yeah, weird. I think before it was I was having it. It was showing in front of it. Okay, not a big deal. It's more of it's more of this party showing. Okay, I guess I'm not using this really. Am I using it? You can only party if you haven't partied, and so it's showing yes. Yeah, maybe this is wrong. Cannot be applied to types. Oh, I might have to do this again. Can I use two rootable types? I mean, two direct values. Otherwise, I have to go like this. Okay, let me just see. Currently returning true for all of it. So if you already party, return false. Otherwise, return is total return. Total divided by times 100. Is it greater than or equal to 100? I'll return false. Wait, how can this be? Yeah, let me go back. It seems like why should he be able to party? Oh man, based on what? I'm trying to determine how, based on what it can party. Okay, if so, probably. So if monologue, so here it's probably returning true. No, if they stop party, return false. So it's so it didn't party yet. And here it shows. Okay, let's try putting the stop party. Oh, party. Oh, this should be set. Yeah, this is why. I think. No, it's not changing anything though, but because I'm updating. No, okay. Why did I delete it? Why not just copy it? Yeah, okay, so instead maybe the result of this dot partied. Okay, so on modal.close, um, oh great, this is the issue. I need to update the party value. Okay, so this makes sense for the store now. I understand. Let's go back to the party store pattern. Let's go back to stores. Let's go party. Um, all I really need. Okay, let's copy. Model. And store will be party. So really, actually, I could probably just go. Okay, this is the difficult part. Because I want to be able to access this. I mean, at least the logs. Yeah, see, it's taking a toll on me, but now going back to the original, to the previous solution, and this store can't work unless I try to I get the logs. Then to be able to close it, right? You know what? I'm going to stop here. Kind of know what I'm going to do, but it looks like I might have to reuse this, use this store, but maybe be able to get its context, or maybe it'll be that an instance of it, so I can get the context and be able to access it within the modal or within the yeah. Because if I update here, then I close the modal, the party's still going on. because you're not updating the this property, and I would need the store to be able to access this property and update it, or at least update it from here. This stop party. So this is fine. I can get try to see how I can refactor this to be able to import it same way as I have modal using a context. No, modal store. So I can just initialize the store and I can access the store context. I think that works. I don't need these values, but I can just get it from within the store. So I don't have to pass the store as a prop. I can just access it from any component. So I'm gonna stop it here. Looks like I'm not gonna get much progress. Maybe later. What time is it? 6 o'clock. Okay, yeah, maybe tomorrow if I feel better. Cause we're almost there. And the fact that if we rewrite it to build access store the stores, or at least this today's store, might have to look into maybe using the second store as well as a context aware or whatever store. Then I can be able to edit this value, and then on here, oops, something changed here. I don't know what changed there. I have no idea what changed there. Why did this stop working? This is Aquarian, right? Why did? Yeah, let me get rid of this. The heck? So I can show add model. Let's go to model and see. Models are view, so if I have open model, the view, visible to, and the view would be the view. And if I go here, I access the view, a view equals add an action handler. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the issue. It's not even opening the model. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna let me delete this again. Let's go to Okay, let's fix this. It's because I think I passed in. No, it's in the model, so I updated it to handle submit. Oh yeah, action handler. Wait a minute, where's the view? View equals model dot view. Oh, okay, because this false. It's trying to show it. Oh yeah, it's probably showing a view. What? Wait a minute. Why just keep? So it's not showing the view equals add. I reset it to visible false and aquarium. Open model add. Show add model. Oh no, I was looking at the wrong thing. This is the cost. This is the default one. Okay. Jesus. Let me remove some of these. I thought I was clicking this the entire time. I wasn't. Okay. Wow. See, that's how out of sorts I am. I thought the model wasn't showing up, but it was adding new. Yeah, thought I was going crazy. Yeah, so we'll come back to rewriting the store because this is an easy thing. I don't know why to do that. To I come up with a solution. So new store. I mean, take the today store, rewrite it, so I can access it from I guess any view. Really the model view. I want to be able to access it here, so I can set the the preset value and also maybe I could have it edit this value as well. If I can open it inside a model, that's for the edit view. And then also so I can open the model based on if the water level, the goal has been reached and the party and stuff. And then also if I close it, if I close the model, I want to be able to also, if it's like a congrats model, I also want to be able to, if I close the model, I also want to be able to change the value of if the party UI has already been shown. All right. I don't think rewriting what the store will be hard, but my mind's frazzled in disarray and whatever TI synonyms. Yeah, I'll stop for now. And stream.